Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna have to clean it because you got chocolate everywhere. Faye is like one of my favorite patients. Faye and Barbara, they're like my favorite. You okay, Mama?
I don't know if you finished prepping this one all the way.
I know one of them you took, I think this is the one that you took the post out. The one that we just, yeah. But I feel like you did.
Yeah, we still
Just a little bit more. Taking the choke in there. You want a cotton roll there, or are you okay?
I think we're okay. Okay, ready for etch and bond, please. This one's a new tip.
It's starting to dry. What are we gonna do? I can put it. And then I brush it with a
No,
brush.
I want the cotton pliers so I can adjust the position. Thank you. Go ahead and cure it, and then I'll just adjust both of them.
Right here, doctor. Here's the air level.
There's a next one. There's a next one. For this one, we don't do it. We get it connected to the lamb. Which is talking about on the back of the mouth. On the other one, background.
Nice. Good. How are you guys doing in here?
Good. I'm just we're gonna polish it, then we're done.
Okay. So blood pressure is a little high over there. Do you want to do nitrous on him? Okay, I'll get that ready.
Because you still have sensitivity, you might think it wasn't like cure right, or this is with the right curing. It could be one of the things that maybe that's the that's why it's not bothering What is another?
I think I know why she might be having pain. I think when I was preparing, so I'm doing a little preparation. I'll talk to you as I'm doing this. I do little preparations for the posts, and as I was doing the preparation, it can irritate the teeth, and I think on that one, it irritated the tissue left over of. She's got a nerve inside her tooth.
Yeah.
But because of her severe wear, that nerve shrinks more and more and more. And so I didn't think it would be an issue because the nerve is so shrunken down. But I think it is an issue. And I think that's what's causing the pain. I think the preparation that I did, it kind of like woke up her nerve to be very receptive to pain. But I think that might be it. I don't know if that's what Dr. Payne had mentioned, but I'm guessing that's my guess.
Yeah, he didn't get into that kind of a detail, so I can't.
Yeah, that's my guess.
But he said something about discussing with you whether it was worth saving a tooth or having it extracted.
Right.
So he wouldn't know until he went in again. So yeah, I'm not. No, so I'm sorry, I'm blundering my comments.
I just wanted to explain to you.
Yeah,
I think that's what happened. And even if the tooth, he's talking about the tooth back here. Even if we don't have that tooth anymore, with 1, 2, 3, with those 3 attached, we'll be in pretty good shape.
Right. So
Yeah.
he could extract that one with.
Yeah. So I'm
without
gonna
any
give him.
issues.
I'm gonna give his office a call.
Yeah, that would be great. And then Friday, it's up to you guys what's best for her. So,
I think it's not gonna change her treatment one bit. It's still gonna be good.
yeah. So if in the long run, if it's better to have that tooth removed to prevent future problems, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, whatever you both decide on. Her whole side of her face was like a little chipmunk. It was swollen out. It was like shocked.
I see.
We're not doing anything on the dentures, right? Are we?
Not right now, no.
Okay.
Water probably.
It's so good.
Okay, we're all done.
Okay.
We put the little attachments on, so those are going to be good to use after she gets that back area sorted out. We might put one more attachment. We're going to put more attachments as we can.
Okay.
Our original plan, I think, was 3 or 4 attachments. It was just pending removing the posts from these teeth. So we'll attempt to do that, but it should be with those two, even if we only get those 2, it's going to be really good. So we'll try to finish off all of them that we planned.
Good.
That's it for that video, but if you're serious about leveling up your implant game, I invite you to go to implantninja.com, where we teach you how to place implants the right way using step-by-step videos, books, and full office solutions that really help you implement very efficient implant protocols. So if the content was helpful for you, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.